what's up EP crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erinique, also known as Erin, also known as EP. You are watching EP TV. Today we are going to be doing another affordable slay as always. 20-inch honey brown highlighted wig, 4x4 fake scalp. I'm going to be showing you how I install, all the details about the wig, where you can get it, and all my pros and cons. So stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Baby, take a ride. I just wanna vibe with you. Baby, you and I can have a good time. Tell me what you like. Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kinda lonely. But I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can
pros and cons. Pros. I could have literally took this hair out the bag and threw it on. Be bleached and dyed in a processed wig already. The hair is extremely soft. That is very surprising for me. I was expecting dry, hay type of feel, and it actually did really well on high heat. It didn't burn up. I didn't get any weird smells. The color is fabulous. It is a fabulous color job. I'm just loving the way it looks on me. I really love this wig, and for the price, I really don't think you can beat that. This is from UNICE off of Amazon, so it is an affordable wig. I would spend my money on this wig. Like, I feel like this wig is a ready to go wig, and it is glueless. An elastic band that I can attach in the back, and it is adjustable, so that is another plus. The cons on this side, that if you've seen in the video, that tracks are sewn on top of the closure, so that's the only thing I don't like about it. That's the only thing I don't like about. The fake scalp wasn't a big problem for me. It actually did me really well. Like, I probably didn't even need a cap. I did put a little bit of concealer just to, you know, get the knots to disappear because they're not bleached. But the fake scalp did help. For darker skin tones, it probably could be a problem. You're gonna have to end up putting makeup on it anyway, so I don't know if that is a big help. I like how far the tracks come to the end. It is a very well constructed wig. Didn't shed a lot, but there was shedding for it to be no use out of the wig. Only cons I have about it is the tracks sewn onto the closure, shedding, and probably the fake scalp will be an issue for darker skin tones. I think it's worth the money, well equipped. Definitely do her yourself. The hair texture is bomb. I'm just really loving this wig. I really love this wig. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Go ahead and leave a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like, what are you doing? But stay tuned for my next videos, and go check out some more of my affordable videos. Peace out, EPTV.